How to change Facebook page password. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily change your Facebook page password. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook, and as you can see here, I have already logged into my profile. You guys have to do the same thing. Just log into any of your Facebook page. Now, once you have done that, if you tap on the settings icon right here, then you will be taken to the settings menu. But as you guys can see here, to change your main settings like your password and your details, you will have to change back to your original profile. So you'll have to switch to your main profile to change these settings. So just tap on switch profile and then tap on switch now. And once your profile is switched to your original profile, then you're just going to head over to Account Center. Now tap on Password and Security, and then tap on Change Password. So choose which account you want to change password of. As you can see, I have all of my pages connected to this account, so I'm just going to change password for this account. Now enter your current password, retype your new password, and once you type your new password 2 times, then click on change password, and then you should be good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next video.